Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the exact cloud targets and granting necessary permissions. This reduces surprises. Once done, snapshot current configurations so you can recover. Now open a CLI or API session using an admin token and enable dry run to preview changes. Execute the initial nulling command on a small subset to validate behavior. Make sure to monitor logs in real time and note any unexpected failures. This early validation prevents widespread data loss and confirms your workflow. You now run the core nulling workflow with idempotent scripts that iterate resources and apply the null operations safely. While doing this, resolve dependencies, drain queues, detach DNS records, and close database connections to avoid cascading failures. Use transactional or batch windows and implement retries with exponential backoff. After each batch, verify results using checksums, timestamps, and centralized logs so you can confirm completeness before proceeding. If a verification fails, pause and investigate immediately. You finish by running a comprehensive audit that compares your initial snapshot against the current state to confirm full nulling. Once satisfied, remove temporary artifacts and rotate any secrets or tokens used during the process to close security gaps. If something goes wrong, first attempt targeted recovery by restoring the immutable snapshot or replay change logs to reconstruct state. One key troubleshooting tip: if partial nulling occurred, isolate affected services, stop further writes, and restore incrementally to prevent reintroducing inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.